Hello, welcome to Collective Love Reading. Collective ito, wala tayong specific zodiac sign. Ang importante ay yung reading, kung makarelate ka, makaresonate ka, maaaring ang reading na ito ay para sa'yo. Kung hindi, wag ipilit, may mga ibang reading pa tayo. So, let's start what we have here for collectives. Pwede magkapalit-palit ang rules, depende sa nangyayari sa'yo. Bahala ka nang ilagay ang sarili mo sa sitwasyon. So, ano meron sa ating mga collectives? Pa-comment na lang dyan sa baba, guys. Kung nakaka-relate ka, ma-appreciate ko kung i-comment mo yung situation ninyo or may share mo rin sa akin, kung kamusta ba. So, let's start. For collectives, main energy mo. You do have the King of Pentacles. What's with the King of Pentacles? Ten of Cups. One more card. Two of Wands. Person nakakonect mo. Page of Cups. Kung may babanggitin ako zodiac sign, energy lang yun ha. The Devil and the Justice card. Bottom of the deck is the Hierophant. So the way I'm seeing this is that with the King of Pentacles, you are someone na maraming plano. You are someone who is, maybe you are good at money. Pagdating sa family, ikaw yung nagbibigay. Could be a breadwinner. Kung hindi man, you are someone na naglalagay ng pagkain sa table. Alam mo yon, ikaw ang gumagawa ng paraan para may pagkain sa pagkainan. And you're planning on something, maybe may kinalaman sa travel or maybe higher education. You want to learn more, more thinking about the future. Ay iniisip mo. You want to save money for the future. You want to maybe travel or matutunan itong bagay nito just, kasi pwede may kinalaman nito sa future. And, yeah. Your person could be someone who is immature. Someone, manipulator. Manipulator, pag sinabi natin ganun, yung manipulator, pag tinignan mo sa isang tingin, hindi mo malalaman na manipulator ito eh. Parang sabihin na natin, ang term is nanguuto. Para makuha niya yung gusto niya. Alam mo yung yung nakikita kong vision ngayon or yung nakikita ko ngayon is like, katulad ng isang kidnapper, para makuha niya yung bata, kailangan uutuin niya ng something na gusto ng batang yon, like candies. And, parang magsisweet talk siya, diba? So, magsasalita yung kidnapper ng something para mapasunod niya yung bata sa kanya. And that's what I can see here. This person is trying to lure you. Parang, marami siyang ginagawa or sinasabing sa'yo na magugustuhan mo. And Justice card, I don't know, you could be married to this person. Some of you, it involves marriage, emotions, or mga nasa isipan ng bawat isa. For collectives, please. Ito over the Ten of Swords. Six of Wands. Knight of Cups. Clarify the Knight of Cups. Page of Pentacles. Two of Pentacles, Eight of Pentacles, the Hanged Man. Clarify the Hanged Man. Hanged Man is clarified by the World. Ace of Wands is at the bottom of the deck. I feel like with the Ten of Swords, nasasaktan ka, or maybe you want to end things between the two of you. And with the Six of Wands, medyo yung iba nga lang, hindi mo alam kung paano aalis or paano aalisan itong person na ito. Especially kung may mga children or kids na involved sa inyo. With the Page of Pentacles. The Knight of Cups, this is showing to me as you wanting to, explore the world. You want to explore, you want to be happy. You want to live your life to the fullest. Gusto mo ibigay yung pagmamahal na yan sa sarili mo because maybe hindi enough yung pinapakita ng taong itong pagmamahal sa'yo. The Two of Pentacles, pagdating sa person na to, is quite of like unstable pagdating sa financial. So, pwedeng hindi siya stable, wala siyang maayos na career. Although with the Eight of Pentacles, I don't know, yung person mo kasi is like, nagtatrabaho naman siya ng mabuti or focus naman siya sa pagtatrabaho but maybe hindi enough yung kanyang kinikita. Pagdating sa'yo with the World, I feel like this person wants to feel complete, feel proud, and pwedeng yun yung nararamdaman niya sa connection ninyo. Like, feeling niya kompleto siya, feeling niya, proud siya. Maybe something about regarding your accomplishment, na para sa kanya nakaka-proud yung accomplishments na yun. And dahil hindi ako nagkaroon ng sarili kong accomplishments, makikipag-connect na lang ako sa'yo kasi nararamdaman ko yung happiness dahil sa mga accomplishments na meron ka. Yan. So, what will happen in the future sa inyong dalawa? Five of Swords is here, the Four of Cups, and the Seven of Swords. King of Cups, the Lovers, the Moon, Queen of Swords. Clarify the Queen of Swords, please. Six of Swords. Oh, this is another person. Nakita tayo na once you get out of a relationship connection with the Five of Swords, Seven of Swords, kasi hindi ka na sure the Four of Cups, you're not so sure about this person anymore. Hindi mo alam kung may say-say pa ba yung partnership, kung ikaw lang din naman yung nag-work or ikaw lang din naman ang gumagawa ng something para magkaroon ng security or healthy life para sa inyo. Like, it's not enough. Yung contribution ng person na ito is not enough. There's not enough partnership. And I can see new love coming in here for you once na nakaalis ka na sa relationship with this person who is trying to use you. Ginagamit ka kasi niya eh. So, ang tendency, pwedeng magising ka sa katotohanan na yan ng mga paggamit na ginagawa niya sa'yo. And then there's a new love coming in here with the King of Cups energy. This is a potential of new relationship, new connection, wherein pwedeng itago or isikreto. Pero, the way I see this is dadating itong taong ito once na you have completely moved on, you have already, pag naalisan mo na itong situation or a person na parang nagamit ka talaga nito ng gusto. That's what I'm feeling here. But, nagkaroon ka ng realizations and na-realize mo na maybe yung connection ninyo is hindi healthy or siya lang yung nakikinabang sa'yo. So, thank you for watching, guys. I love you all and bye-bye.